This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your Roku model and current software because updates depend on device capability. Once done, make sure your Roku is online and on a stable network. Interruptions cause failed updates. You should also sign into your Roku account so you can manage channels remotely if needed. Plugging into power rather than USB ports reduces sleep interruptions. Now move to the System Update menu to fetch the latest firmware and app updates. This is where the auto-update process starts. You now force a system check for firmware and app updates so the platform can retrieve the newest compatibility fixes. Next, highlight the YouTube channel and use the Options menu to specifically check for a channel update because sometimes app updates lag behind system updates. If an update appears, install it and allow the Roku to complete any post-installation steps. After updates finish, restart the device to clear caches and apply changes. This reduces odd behavior when you relaunch YouTube. You finish by launching YouTube and confirming playback, account sign-in, and that unrelated apps still work. If YouTube acts up after updating, remove and reinstall the channel to refresh its local files. This often resolves corrupt app data. Make sure to check your router and DNS settings if reinstalling doesn't help, because network blocks can mimic app faults. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort since it erases settings. Backup network info and passwords before doing that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.